In this video, we review the best solar battery storage brands in Pakistan. Today, our video topic is best solar battery storage brands in Pakistan. What are solar battery? A solar battery receives its energy from the sun or some other light source through the use of a photo-voltaic. In most cases, a solar powered battery is implanted in an electronic device and is not capable of being removed. A solar powered battery is usually capable of fully charging after just an hour or two of exposure to sunlight. The surest evidence of a solar battery is an array of solar cells, usually in a line or perhaps in a block somewhere on the device. These cells collect the light and cause electrons in semiconductors to begin to move along the semiconductor and the metal contacts. Once at these metal contacts, the energy generated can then be stored in a solar cell or it may be put to direct use. If that energy is stored, the solar powered battery will discharge it at the appropriate time. For example, that time may be when it is turned on by a person or it may come on automatically. As with some lightning applications, the power is then drawn from the solar battery much like it will be any other battery. Batteries type. For solar power plant storage purposes are several battery types currently available in Pakistan's market. The following are the most common uses nowadays. AGM batteries, gel deep cycle batteries, tall tubular deep cycle batteries, lithium batteries, supercap. Advantage of solar storage. Renewable energy needs to be estimated slowly today. The number of apartments, buildings, and outdoor facilities using solar cells is increasing in cost of service needs such as electricity. People move slowly to the energy source for energy. Solar cells participated in the market because of those who want to lower expensive power expenses. Solar cells are used to store electrical energy using solar panels and convert them to renewable energy. The process of producing electricity with a solar cell is simple. It absorbs sunlight, collects proton energy, and emits electrons, which ultimately produce energy. Electricity is then stored in these batteries, allowing energy to be used whenever needed. You may be wondering why you should consider switching from a traditional power source to a solar powered source. There are important factors to consider when assessing benefits. Energy independence, quiet backup power, electric bill savings, zero load shedding. 2020 popular storage batteries in Pakistan for residential and commercial projects. There are many solar batteries available to purchase and install. Out of all the companies currently making hybrid off-grid inverters, the top names most often associated with the best solar batteries in the Pakistan market are next tall tubular deep cycle battery, AGM Narada, Pylon Tech lithium battery, kilowatt lab supercapacitor. I hope that you will get a lot of information about best solar battery storage brands in Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.